Hi everyone, this tutorial is gonna be on my Dragon Lady hand jewelry, hand accessory, or whatever you want to call it. I still had 10 of these filigree scrapbook corners laying around, so I took some pliers and shaped them to my fingers. I just took a needle and some strong thread to sew it closed, because I was planning to paint them black and it was easy, but looking back I would probably have soldered it. And I just used a dab of super glue to make sure that the knots wouldn't come undone. Then I took some old earrings and took off everything I didn't want. And then I added a piece of chain to it with a jump ring. By putting it around my wrist, I could see how long I needed it to be and then cut off the rest of the chain. And I connected it to the other side of the earring with a clasp. Then I took another jump ring and I put it on the bottom of the finger piece, so the piece that is closest to your hand. And then added a chain to that jump ring as well. And I did this for all the finger pieces. Next I put the chain with the earring around my wrist, so I could see how long I needed the chain to be. Make sure you can still bend your fingers. Then I cut the chain off there and used another jump ring to connect it to the earring piece. When all my fingers were attached, I used a little dab of super glue again, but this time to close up all of the jump rings so they wouldn't accidentally come undone. And that's it, my hand jewelry accessory for my Dragon Lady. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more tutorials, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more pictures of this costume, you can check out my Facebook and Instagram.